Victorinox.
1884, in Ibach, Schweiz, Carl Elsener, with the support of his mother Victoria, opened a cutlery workshop. A few years later, Carl established the Swiss Cutlery Association with the goal of supplying the Swiss Army with the soldier knife. This knife, while ingeniously designed and multifunctional, was a little heavy and bulky. That's why he created a smaller, lighter knife which was more elegant and included additional functions. He called this new model the Swiss Officers and Sports Knife and patented it on June 1897. The rest is history. Since the foundation of our company by my great-grandfather, Victorinox has evolved substantially. We continuously added innovations to the Swiss Army knife. This passion for functionality, quality and design is at the core of what all our employees do every day. All our products are inspired by these same values and the heritage of the original Swiss Army knife. Victorinox products are functional, reliable and long-lasting. They are a combination of heritage and modernity, a true companion for our customers to embrace everyday's adventure. Victorinox stores, shop-in-shops and corners all over the world act as the display window for our brand, bringing together our wide range of products in an authentic and credible way. This gives the consumer a unique opportunity to experience the world of Victorinox based on our brand. We use authentic natural materials such as black steel and yellow oak to create a warm atmosphere with an industrial touch, representing the solidity of our family heritage. The little red knife that can do almost anything is an icon and has turned into a global, authentic brand. Victorinox, one brand, more than 130 years of history.
Victorinox.